Welcome my YouTube channel. Today I discuss remainder theorem or factor theorem of standard 9 and 10 class. What is remainder theorem? Remainder theorem let fx is a polynomial and and let x minus a is a linear polynomial so fx is when fx is divided by x minus a, what will be the remainder? This is our question. So first we put x equal to a. Since x minus a, we divide fx by x minus a. First x minus a, we obtain the value x equal to a. Now we put x equal to a in fx. So fx will be, when we put x equal to a, f a, and the polynomial will be this f a. This will be remainder. For example, I explain it. Let fx equal to 2x square plus x plus 3. This is a polynomial, and when we divide fx by x minus 1, so what will be the remainder? Remainder will be, from remainder theorem, we say x minus 1 we divided by fx, x minus 1, so f1 will be 2. We just put value of x in this expression and we get x equal to 1 mean 2 plus 1 plus 3 mean 6. So when we divide 2x square plus x plus 3 by x minus 1, we get a remainder 6. Now what is factor theorem? Factor, we know factor is if a number is divisible by other number, it is called factor of the given number. So if when remainder will be 0, if a mean this will be, since if a is remainder, so when f a equal to 0, then x minus a will be remainder, is factor. X minus a is factor of fx. Now I solved some problems and it will be clear. So I start from here. If fx equal to 2x cube minus 7x square plus 3 and fx dividing by x minus 2, what is the remainder? So from remainder theorem, let we first find the value of x equal to 2, and our given fx equal to 2x cube minus 7x square plus 3. Now we put value of x equal to 2. We get f2 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 cube minus 7 multiplied by 2 square plus 3. This is 8. 8 multiplied by 2, 16, minus 4 multiplied by 7, 28 plus 3. This will be 12 minus 12 and plus 3. minus 12 plus 3, this is minus 9. So when we divide the polynomial fx equal to this by x minus 2, we get remainder minus 9. Now I solve a question which is previous year's ICSC 2016. Here ask, using remainder theorem, find the values of k. Find the values of k if this polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square minus kx plus 5 is dividing by x minus 2. What is value of k? And find the value of k. This is ICSC question 2016. So we start from here. Let fx equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus kx plus 5, and fx is dividing by x minus 2. So x minus 2, let x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. Now we put the value of x equal to 2 in fx. So f2 equal to x equal to 2. Here we put the value of x to 2, x cube mean 2 cube 8 plus 3 x square mean 2 square 4 minus x equal to 2 mean 2k plus 5. And since x minus 2 is a factor of fx, so our remainder will be 0. Here we get 16 plus 12 minus 2k plus 5 equal to 0. This is 28 plus 5 minus 2k equal to 0. Now this is 33 minus 2k equal to 0. Now k equal to this question was some mistake, is dividing by x minus 2 and the remainder is here given, remainder is 7, remainder is 7 mean this is 7, this is 7. So 33 minus 2k equal to 7. Next 2k equal to 33 minus 7. 33 minus 7 mean 26. 26. Now k equal to 26 by 2 equal to 13. This is our answer. Now I will solve an ICSC 2010 question. Here given x minus 3 is x minus 3 is divided when the polynomial x cube minus px square plus x plus 6 and 2x cube minus x square minus p plus 3x minus 6 leave same remainder. Find the value of p. X minus 3 is divide two polynomials. Let fx equal to x cube minus p x square plus x plus 6 and let polynomial gx equal to 2x cube minus x square minus p plus 3x minus 6. When fx and gx is divided by x minus 3, then the remainder will be same. So here we put x equal to 3. So f3 equal to 3 cube. Here we put here first f3 x equal to 3. 3 cube 27 minus 3 square 9 p plus 3 plus 6 plus 6. This will be 36 minus 9p. Now we put x equal to 3 in g3. So gx equal to this, we put x equal to 3 here. So 2 into 27 minus x square 9 minus x equal to 3 means 3 p plus 3 minus 6. This is 54 minus 9 minus 6 mean minus 15 minus 3p minus 9. This will be 9. This will be 54 and this is 24. This is 24 or 8 7. So this will be, this is minus 54 minus 24. So 0 30 minus 3p. Now given here remainder is same, so we get one remainder this and another remainder is this. These are equal. So 36 minus 9p, 36 minus 9p equal to 30 minus 3p. Now we solve it. This let this side 6p equal to 6. Now p equal to 1. All these are ICSC previous year's question, and you, if you practice all this question, I think you will get one common question, and from here come 4 marks question. It will be you can achieve it if you solve these problems. Now find the remainder when x cube plus kx plus 8 multiplied by x plus k is divided by x plus 1 and x minus 2. Find the remainder, and hence find the value of k if sum of two remainders is minus 1. So here are two parts of this question. First we write fx equal to fx, our given polynomial is x cube plus kx plus 8x, here 2x and k. You can simplify x cube kx square plus 8x plus k. Now this polynomial is divided by x plus 1 and x plus x minus 2. If fx is divided by x plus 1, so x equal to minus 1, using dividend theorem we put x equal to minus 1 in fx. F minus 1 will be, we put minus 1 in value of x. So minus 1 plus k minus 8 plus k. This is 2k minus 9. This is a remainder, and fx is divided by x minus 2. So x equal to 2. We put x equal to 2 in our given polynomial. So it will be f2 equal to, we put here x equal to 2. So x cube mean 2 cube 8 plus here x square mean 4k plus 16 plus k. This is 5k plus 24. This is another remainder. So we get two remainders. Now find the value of k if sum of two remainders is 1. Now our given condition is sum of two remainder equal to 1 and we find the value of k. So we sum of two remainder equal to 1. From this equation, find the value of k. This is 7k plus this is 15 equal to 1 and 7k equal to 1 minus 15 in minus 14 and k equal to minus 14 by 7 mean minus 2. So our answer k equal to minus 2 and 2 remainder is 2k minus 9 and 5k plus 24. This is this question is previous year's 2019 questions. Now given if x plus 2 and x plus 3 are factors, x plus 2 and x plus 3 are factors of x cube plus ax plus b. Find the value of a and b. Part 1, find the value of a and b, and part 2, hence factorize. Mean this is a cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial has three factors. One factor is x plus 2, second factor x plus 3. We find out third factor. So first using remainder theorem we solve it. So our given polynomial fx equal to x cube plus ax plus b. This is divided by x plus 2. We know a number is divisible by its factor. So we put first x equal to minus 2. So f minus 2 equal to minus, we put here x equal to minus 2. So minus 2 means this is minus 8 minus 2a plus b. This will be 0. From factor theorem we know when a number is divided by its factor, remainder will be 0. So we find remainder is f minus 2 and if remainder is 0 then x plus 2 is factor of fx. Here we get equation 2a plus 2a minus b equal to minus 8. This is equation number 1. Now x plus 3 is another factor of polynomial fx. So x plus 3 mean x equal to x plus 3, x equal to minus 3. We put x equal to minus 3. So we get f minus 3. F minus 3 here. X minus 3 mean minus 27 minus 3a plus b. And since x plus 3 is a factor of fx, so remainder will be 0. F minus 3 will be 0. And from here we get another equation 3a minus b equal to minus 27. So we get two linear equation of a and b, simultaneous linear equation. Now we solve this equation and find the value of a and b. Here we eliminate b minus plus. So b is cancelled. A equal to 9, a equal to minus 19 and put a value in equation we get 2 2 into a, I put a equal to minus 19 in equation number 1. So 2 multiplied by minus 19 minus b equal to minus 8. This is minus 38 minus b equal to minus 8. So minus b equal to 30 and b equal to minus 30. So our a equal to minus 19 and b equal to minus 30. There are another part is find the hence factorize it, mean using this value a and b. Fx is x cube minus ax. A mean minus 19, x plus b mean minus 30. So we find another factor. So here we find another factor using, another factor using algebraic division method. So algebraic division method, we divide since x plus 2 and x plus 3 both are factor of fx. So we divide it using x square plus 5x plus 6, x square plus 5x plus 6. Here x cube plus 5x plus 6 x square, multiply this by x cube 5x square plus 6x, and this cancel, minus 5x square minus 25x minus 30. So this multiply by minus 5. So here we get minus 5x square minus 25x minus 30. So remainder is 0. So x minus 5 is another factor, x minus 5. So x minus 5 is another factor. So our answer is a equal to minus 19, b equal to minus 30, and another third factor is x minus 5. This is our answer. This is ICSE question previous years. Now given x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6. When this expression is divided by x minus 3, it leaves the remainder 3. And find the value of a and b. Here are two factors formula and remainder formula. Since x minus 2 is factor of this polynomial, so our polynomial is x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6. This is our polynomial, and x minus 2 is factor of our given polynomial. So from here we put the value of x equal to 2. So f2 equal to 2 cube 8, 2 square 4a plus 2b plus 6. This is 4a plus 2b plus 14. And since x minus 2 is factor of fx, therefore f2 will be 0. So we get equation 4a plus 2b plus 14 equal to 0. 2 is common, so 2a plus b plus 7 equal to 0. This is one equation. And another equation we get from here, the polynomial when divided by x minus 3, it leaves remainder 3. So x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. So remainder will be f3 equal to 3. Now we put the value of x equal to 3 in our given polynomial. Our given polynomial fx equal to x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6 and x equal to 3. So f3 equal to 3 cube 27 plus 9a plus 3b plus 6. Now remainder is 3. So this is equal to 3. Here 9a plus 3b plus 27 plus 6, 35, 33, 33 equal to 3. Now 3 is common both sides, so we take 3 as common and cancel it. 3a plus b plus 11 equal to 1. From here 3a plus b equal to minus 10. This is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. So here we get 2a plus b equal to minus 7. This is equation number 1. We solve it using elimination method. So I cancel b here. Here this is a and this is minus 3. So a is minus 3. Now we put the value of a equal to minus 3 in our one of our equation. So I put it in equation 1. 2a plus b equal to minus 7. A equal to minus 3 mean this is minus 6 plus b equal to minus 7. Now b equal to minus 7 minus 6 plus 6 equal to minus 1. So our two values a and b, a equal to minus 3 and b equal to minus 1. This is our answer.